Hello, this is Dan Hartman, the director here at Glensheen, and I want to give you a little GoPro tour of what Glensheen looks like here in the second week of September. It is gorgeous. The leaves are starting to turn. Our zinnia patch in our annual garden has really turned out great. I mean, look at all the color. Our construction project is coming near to done. But I mean, just look at this view. Most of our garden's been harvested at this point, but you come over here and you can see things are starting to turn color on that tree up there in particular. It's supposed to be in the mid 70s today here in Duluth. It's actually around 8 o'clock right now, so before tours open. So I'm not wearing a mask, I'm just by myself on the grounds. But man, fall is slowly creeping in, but it is a beautiful time of the year. Our head gardener, Emily Ford, has done an amazing job with the gardens this year, and her 3 garden staff as well. So we'll kind of take a little walk. You can see the pumpkin patch, our cucumbers. Oh, looks like some animal got into a pumpkin last night. You can see a couple there, a couple there. Got some strawberries in here. Let's take a little walk by the bees. Yeah, see these pumpkins, when they pop out of the patch, they don't know it, but the deer get them. Oh, look at this big guy. I'll give you an idea of the size of that pumpkin. And over here, see how the bees got a couple coming out. Here we'll walk through the rhubarb. Once again, the garden team just did an amazing job this summer. They have almost half the staff they had last year because of COVID, and they still did a spectacular job. This construction project is coming along really well. So you can see kind of that last stage here, about ready to get primed. And then over here, you can see what it's going to look like when it's finished. We still have to put the windows in. That'll come soon. But yeah, look at those gables. And this one here on the end, I think, look really good. Once again, windows coming soon. Look at that. And today is a extra spectacular day on the lake. I'll show you here in a second. Look at that. Yeah, it is not an ugly day. Once again, it's supposed to be in the mid 70s here in Duluth. Should be a gorgeous day. Random things that wash ashore. We just worked on a drainage pipe, so that's why I see all the new dirt here right now. It looks kind of like a mess. But man, it's coming together. So on Saturdays, we have our cider Saturdays, which I think is kind of fun, showing off some local cider. Thank you for Belicios for selling it. Of course, Clark, the shark. And then here we'll walk over to Tisher. Glensheen, I will say, has its own seasonality. I always recommend everyone to come in the different seasons of Glensheen. And almost 70% of our attendance shows up in July and August, which is great. But and actually summer's still my favorite season, but fall really isn't bad at all. I would say come check out Glensheen in every season. Winter via snowshoe is pretty fun. But yeah. Oh, looks like the wind's picked up a little bit. Flag's moving. So we're coming over to Tisher Creek. So about 6 years ago, we redid this peninsula out here as part of the 2012 water event. And we bought this bonfire pit last spring. And I will say it is now one of the best views on the property, because you have the Stone Arch Bridge in that direction, and then you have good old Lake Superior in that direction. And here we'll walk up to the bridge, call her a day. By the way, there's a secret swing in the woods there. It's one of the most popular photographs for weddings, which was an idea from a past staff member, Scotty, for one of our galas. Something else to think about when you come on tour is spend some time trying to look at all the trees and take out your phone and Google what is the story, because many of them are not native to Minnesota and were planted here nearly 100 years ago. So here we go across the Stone Arch Bridge, and once again, here's that lake view. And then we'll pan over to the mansion view, which in about a week will be goldish. You can see it slowly getting there. But yeah, thanks for watching this GoPro video, and hopefully see you soon at Glensheen. Bye.